How to create Steam account. So if you want to create a Steam account, then first of all you need to open up a browser, any browser that you are comfortable with, and I'm here with Chrome browser. Simply go for the search bar and search for Steam, sign up, and here you will have create your account. On the first search, click on that, and to create your account on your Steam, first you need to enter your email address. And you need to confirm your email address again, and then you need to enter your country of residence and click on I am not a robot, and then click here so that you agree to the terms and conditions and you are above the age of 13, and then click on continue. Now you have to go for your mail, open up your mail, and here you have received the mail. Click on verify my email address and your email has been verified. And now you can return to the account creation window to complete your registration. So after registering your email, your account has been created. So now you can sign into your account and use your Steam. So that's it. That's how you create your Steam account. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.